What's up, guys? This is David Murillo 6 back again with another unboxing video. So actually, yeah, not gonna lie, this was kind of an impulse buy. Let me just show you guys what it is. So basically, I got the Crux air fryer. Yeah, I've never in my life wanted an air fryer. I always thought it was kind of stupid, but it was Cyber Monday and I saw this thing off. It was like 60%. It was originally like $120 and it was on sale for $49.99. So I was like, yeah, whatever, I'm gonna get that. Maybe I'll learn how to use it and maybe I'll be able to eat healthier, you know? So yeah, let's get this unboxing going. Just gonna show you guys how to use it today. I'm gonna make some fried chicken strips. Let's see if these fried chicken strips are good and if they taste anything like normal chicken strips. See if they're crispy, because I for one don't believe that these chicken strips will be crispy. I don't see how you can make them crispy with just air. But yeah, right off the bat, I'm having some trouble opening this thing. As I say that, I get it open. So one side. I may have opened this upside down. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw everything around. Just take off this sleeve. Well, yeah, that looks like everything. So there's the air fryer. Looks pretty simple. Comes with only like 2 parts. I guess I'll figure that out later. Well, yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna cut this video and go ahead and start making the chicken, and we'll see how it does. Yeah, so I just seasoned my chicken, and not gonna lie to you guys, I was following a recipe and I forgot to get the spice I was supposed to get for the recipe, so I completely winged it and just put in a bunch of random spices, and I'm not a chef, so I don't know how this is gonna end up. Like, I just threw in some Cajun seasoning, salt, pepper, some other random seasoning I had in my cabinet. But yeah, let's hope it ends up well. There's the chicken. Let's move on to the batter. Okay guys, there's the chicken. Here's the batter. Again, I had no idea what I was doing. I just tossed like random spices and some flour. And I don't know if I'm supposed to like put some eggs in this, but I didn't. I just like tossed it in there and then shook it up. And just waiting for this to finish preheating. Only 5 more minutes and we'll put these bad boys in the fryer and then we'll see. So see you guys soon. This is done preheating. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Got my chicken right there. I'm about to put it in. So let's pull this out. Lay this right here. Let's start putting in all the chicken. I have no idea what I'm doing again. Hopefully I'm doing this right. I'm pretty sure I'm not. So yeah, I'm just gonna load all this up. So yeah, we got the first batch right here. Let's place it in there. Set the timer for 20 minutes. All right, see you guys in 20. Hey guys, so you're supposed to open it up at the 10-minute mark and shake it around a bit, or halfway mark. So I set it for 20 minutes, 10 minutes would be the halfway mark. So let's open it and take a peek and shake it out. Just shake this up. And throw that back in. Finish the cooking. And my video got cut off, so I already started eating these, but yeah, I just want to say that they are crispy. Definitely messed up with the batter, but I'm impressed. I didn't think an air fryer had the ability to do this. So good job, Crux. If I had to give this a rating, I'd give it a 7.5 out of 10. I wouldn't say it's the crispiest chicken I've ever had, but for minimal amounts of oil, this is definitely crispy. I'm very impressed. But yeah, I'm gonna go feast on my own. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Here's the second batch of chicken. I did use eggs this time. The original recipe I followed didn't use eggs, or I didn't see him use eggs. So I used eggs, put them in the batter, and they already look like they're better, but we'll see what happens. So hopefully they're better. I'm just waiting for this to heat up again, and then we'll get started. Okay, so the second batch of strips are done. Let's pull these out and see how they look. Alright, you can already tell that they are much crispier. I did miss a spot with the oil, so there's still some leftover batter right there. But yeah, these are much more, yeah, these came out a lot better. That's all I can say. So let's put these on a plate and get to eating. So here are the strips. Much more crispy with the egg batter. So yeah, definitely don't forget the egg batter or the eggs. And I know that's pretty obvious, but, and I was thinking the same thing, that maybe I should have put some eggs on this, but the video I watched did not put eggs on it, so my bad. But yeah, definitely do not forget that. Let's give this a taste test. I'm probably gonna use some honey as like a dip right here, because I personally think that fried chicken goes well with honey, and it's delicious. So let's just grab this tender, a little view of the tender, and let's go ahead and take a bite. All right, for sure, already much better. The batter definitely stuck on a lot better with the eggs, and I think that gave it a lot more seasoning. Before, I think the batter kind of just fell off, so the chicken was very plain. Now that the batter stayed on, it's actually delicious. Wow. You can hear that. Pretty crispy. I'm telling you guys, I'm really impressed with this. Like, even if it wasn't good at frying, I'm also just impressed with how well it cooked the chicken. This is some juicy, tender chicken, and it's evenly cooked all throughout. and it only took like 20 minutes, and you don't even have to do anything. You just put it in, flip it over, and you're good. You just prepare your chicken. I'm very impressed with this stuff. Now that I put the egg wash on it, the rating for this definitely goes up. It was a 7.5 before. I definitely give this like a 9. If we were to rate it from 1 being like the least crispy chicken to 10 being like Popeye's chicken, I would give this a 9. And I'm very pleased with this. It's delicious. I'm sure you can hear that crunch. With the honey, it's just amazing. So yeah, guys, I don't know if that Black Friday sale's still up, but if it is, you guys should definitely grab some, or grab one of these. Because $120 to $60, that's an absolute steal. This will definitely make your chicken a lot healthier. And a quick disclaimer, you do have to use some oil. It's not like you can just go and like throw away like your gallon of oil or your tub of oil. You're still gonna have to use some oil, but it's nowhere close to as much oil as you would have on your chicken with your traditional way of frying food. It's just a light layer of oil on top just to coat the batter, and that's all you need. So yeah, definitely worth it. So I think with that, the video's concluded. I think that's all you guys need to know about the fryer. It did a really good job, and I do recommend it. I highly recommend this air fryer, or any air fryer in general. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next unboxing / review video. Cool, peace.